Hello guys! Good morning! Maayong Jensan, maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Buntag pa man 10 o'clock pa lang guys ng umaga. So ngayong umaga, tapos na ako ng aking first set ng aking kumbati ngayong Lunes. At nagmamadali ako kasi ang dami palang dapat mangyari ngayong umaga. So sobrang busy ng ating banks. Maraming salamat nga pala sa lahat po na nanood ng aking live selling sa tindahan ng aking ate, eldest sister namin. Paki-follow naman ako guys ng another negosyo ng aking eldest sister. Ito po ang kanyang page, Sheena Bangkok Wardrobe. Kung gusto niyo po ng varieties ng OOTD, simula sa tweeds hanggang sa cords, hanggang sa mga pants and coats, pwede niyo pong bisitahin. Ang dami po nilang mga items dyan na pagpipilian pagdating sa OOTD. Kasi yung aking Mayumi Thailand closet, most of the time po ay ang mga dresses yung aking ino-offer at saka silk na sleepwear. Pero if you want variety like shorts and everything else, pwede po sa page na to. Ayan, paki-follow naman ako guys. Bigyan nyo man ng isang pagmamahal yung aking sister. And then ngayong araw 25, sinabi ko sa inyo sa last episode natin dun sa business ng aking isang kapatid na hardware, ngayon ang kanyang grand opening. At syempre dahil sip-sip tayong mga atin niya, pupunta tayo syempre para mag-support at magdala ng mga anek-anek. So, nakapag-order na kami ng pagkain, na-prepare na natin yung dadalhin. Hindi dapat natin makalimutan yung kanyang cake at saka bulaklak. Syempre pag may nag-grand opening na kapatid guys, supportahan naman natin. Hindi ko ma-imagine kapag may nagabukas ng business tapos walang nandun para magsuporta. Feeling ko nakakaiyak yun. So ngayon, sabi ni Madam 10 Gibbs, nakabili na daw siya ng cake. Si Mama naman ang in charge sa pagkuha ng pagkain. Ako ngayon kukuha na ako ng kanyang bulaklak. Hindi ba tayo mabigyan ng bulaklak na mga ano natin guys, mga ex-husband natin. At least mabigyan tayo ng bulaklak ng mga kapatid natin. Masarap pa din yun sa feeling. So tara, samahan niyo akong bumili ng bouquet for my sister's hardware grand opening today. Samahan niyo kami for another kwento-kwento ng aming buhay dito sa aking YouTube channel. Syempre pag hindi pa kayo nakapag-like, subscribe at bell button, please do so. Maraming salamat and I'll see you guys on this episode. Alright, hanap tayo dito ng bouquet na pwedeng-pwede sa aking kapatid. Magtanong muna tayo ng presyo guys. Hi! Tagpila yung bouquet. Ha? 300. Wow, ang ganda guys. 300 lang yung mga bouquet. Hindi ko alam bakit hindi ako naka-receive ng bouquet dun sa aking sa aking ex-husband. Mura lang pala. Kaya siya naging ex. Kasi hindi niya ako binigyan ng bulaklak. So hanap tayo ng bulaklak para siya sa opening ng business. So I want it to be neutral. I don't want it to be so ladylike. I want it to be neutral. Ay! Oh yes! Yes! Oo, last time. Ngayon nag-open up naman yung kapatid ko ng hardware.
Kailan kayo nagbalik, ma'am?
October last year.
Yung vlog ko last time, yung may issue yung asawa mo.
Yes, oo, sa airport. Ay, kung ano lang, booking lang tayo. Huwag lang ganyan.
Okay lang siya. Pwede tayo gumawa na.
Ayan guys, may mga bouquet available dito. Pwede naman siguro itong ready-made na para diretsyo na.
Ito ma'am, okay.
Asa?
Ito, yung red rose.
I think smaller is okay. Smaller is 300. Ito 300 yan. Anong kulay ang maganda? Doon din oh. Check ko din dito sa kabila ha. Ayan guys, meron din dito. Ay, this one! I think this one is nice. Magkano to? Okay. I like this one. Pwede pa to sa opening ng business? Okay. Sige. Parang di kayo siya I think this one is also nice guys. Which one is better? Kung ikaw magpili, this one or that one? This one? Yeah, let me have this one. Eto guys, piliin natin guys kasi maganda yung color combination niya. Merong puti. Siyempre yung puti signifies peace and purity. Tsaka yung pula, hindi ko alam. So, pero sabi nila, nire-recommend nila ito. Sige, ito na lang. Thank you. Yan na lang guys. Ang kunin natin para sa kapatid ko. Alright guys. Ay, nakalimutan ko kanina ipakita sa inyo. Nagbinilan ako ni Madam 10 Gibbs ng guys, ng Cebu na Chorizo Cebu na manok. Sayang. Shout out ko sana yun guys. Gutom na gutom kasi ako kasi hindi ako nakapag-breakfast pala. Kaya ako medyo ginutom habang nagla-live kanina. Pero ngayon, papunta na kami ni Miss Giselle. Miss Giselle, mag-hi ka naman. Hi. Anong problemang pag-ibig mo? Ay, masana all walang problema. Bigla ang tanong kay Miss Giselle. Joke lang yan, guys. Sabay kami ni Miss Giselle ngayon kasi syempre mag-opening yung kapatid natin. Yung kapatid ko pumunta din yan during my opening sa Mayumi Thailand Closet. So ngayon, kami naman ni Miss Giselle yung susuporta sa kanya. Kasama din namin si Mayumi, hindi maiiwan yan. Syempre. At dala na natin. Oh, sige ka ng music. Ay. At dala na natin ang ating mga karga. Dala natin ang ating mga karga na pagkain at saka mga mga hanash natin sa buhay. Dadalhin natin dito sa kanyang opening. So tara, samahan nyo kami, guys. Let's go mag-celebrate. Time to celebrate. Kagabi, guys, yung umaga, tutok na tutok yung init. Pero let's go. Pasunod na si Madam Ten Gibbs. Kasabay niya si Mama, tsaka yung aking kapatid na si Madam Bibi. Ayan. Yung may-ari naman ng ukay-ukay. So, ngayon, doon na tayo sa hardware pupunta. Let's go! Welcome to Lucky 8 Hardware!
A few moments later.
Congratulations, Lucky 8 Hardware. Ayan. Wish ko sana 2 years up pa tayo mag-change location ha. It's so tiring.
Congratulations! With energy food!
Congratulations.
Lucky 8 Hardware!
Sa Lucky 8 Hardware.
Bakit Lucky 8? Dali!
Pero always lucky. Lucky ang halin.
Hindi, oy, 8!
Lucky gani, lucky ang halin.
Infinity man na, walay close. Ayan, guys. Congratulations!
Thank you.
Ayan. Samahan mo ang Lucky 8 Hardware sa hirap at ginhawa. Yeah! Okay?
Or binta para dili siya mag-change of area.
Correct.
Lucky 8 meaning walang sarado na oras. 8 dapat laging open.
Alam, day on to Sunday. Ako manuktok paminte.
Ayun. Maraming salamat sa Ginaline Catering for our ulam. Ang sarap, guys, ng aming ginataan at saka beef steak.
Eternity later.
Alright, guys, tapos na kaming mag-party. After nating mag-party, balik na tayo for money-making activities. Kumbati na punta, guys. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you for coming. Bye, Ning. Bye. Ayan, guys. Bye, everyone. See you sa anniversary. Bantay, bitaw, wala may ma-receive na anniversary invitation, ha? Look for many eggs. You get many eggs? You check under the grass and behind the trees, okay? If you find eggs there.
Mama, you tell me that you want me to cheat.
No, I'm just giving you tips. Can I see your bunny? Wow, Calvi has a bunny. And can you say Happy Easter Sunday?
Happy Easter Sunday.
Yay. How about Chico? Say Happy Easter. Sipon si Chico.
Did we pack the little bunnies?
Yeah, it's in my bag. Are you going to get a lot of Easter eggs?
No, I can't. I want to give some to other children.
Wow, that's nice, Calvi. So how many eggs are you going to find?
2.
2 only? Too little. Can you make like 10?
10 is so greedy.
Oh, so greedy. Okay, 10 is so greedy. Okay, Auntie is happy because Calvi is sharing. Right? Make Auntie proud and Mommy proud and Lola proud. How about Chico? How many eggs? Ay! Also, Chico is not looking for eggs.
Mommy was
Who? I want to sit here close to you and Chico. Araw ay magjo-join sila ng isang Easter Sunday activity. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Dolores Farm Resort sa may Polomolok. Malapit lang to sa Jensen, mga 30 minutes lang. Because we are going to... Hello! We are going to join the Easter egg hunt para sa mga bata. O, kita nyo naman, naka-Easter egg tayo kasi colorful. Buti meron tayong colorful sa closet. So, puntahan natin yung mga bata sa sasakyan. Let's pick them up. Para excited silang maghanap ng itlog ngayon, guys. Ako din maghahanap ako ng itlog. Yung hindi bago. Ayan si Mama. Ah, ganda ng outfitan ni Mother. Easter na Easter. Ayan. Chico, go inside there. Kabi, come. Tito Wiwi bot. Tita Wiwi bot. Excited si Kabi, guys. Tumatakbo na. Yay! Playground! Playground! Put your bag first, Bobby. Bobby, put your bag here first. Come. Yeah, you put your bag here first. Come on. Ayan guys, ito yung preparation nila for Easter Sunday. And Chico is here. Chico, what do you have? Ah? But that's for Halloween. That's for Halloween. Haha. Tapoy sa iyang ilong ma. Sinisipon si Chico. Dala niya yung backpack niya guys na may dalang extra clothes niya. At swimming clothes. Baka mamaya maligo siya. Wow. Okay, you wipe your nose first. Baka bukas kayo sila mga kitag balde.
I want small.
For the eggs.
Mama, no, there it goes. My bag.
Wow.
Ning Ning rabbit.
Ning, wow, Ning.
Hindi mo ning.
Wait lang.
Here.
Asang rabbit ati Chai sa pink na bag ati Chai. Bilin mo. Where?
Gas pa to.
Kay Ashley. Ashley di ay. Ashley did not come. Ashley.
Dili siya kapoy daw siya sa iyang
Si
trip.
Ashley.
Uwitin ang basket nimo kay dalong na. Hey, where's mine? Okay. Picture na
Asang
kayo
puti?
dito. Picture
Okay.
here. Okay, Ning ha. Wow! Look!
Put in your head.
It's
Okay.
a rabbit. Dira po daw siya ibutang iya ha. Oh.
Jericho, oh.
Here,
Mommy, me too.
Ay, where's yours? Naguba na tong iyaha. Wow. Say thank you, Doy.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Gwapo ni Dodoy. Naguba ang kay Chico. Me too. Me too. Kay naguba iya. At least sumikat na yung araw. Kanina parang maulan-ulan. Sabi ko nga, agoy, patay. Naulan na naman. Ay, salamat. At nakalabas ang mga bata. Maganda ang sikat ng araw. Woo! Sarap. Excited ang mga bata, guys. Mabuti na lang meron silang balde-balde kasi maghahanap sila ng itlog. Maybe we are going to look for eggs now. Ayan na, naglalaro na yung mga bata. So, ang nandito ngayon is si Kuya Jericho, si Muningning. Wala si Ate Ashley, napagod daw siya sa Bukidnon trip. Sana all merong excuse. Sana all pwedeng umabsent. And then, nandito din si Kulit Kulot, si Chico Chico. Syempre si Ate Cassie ay nandito. At saka mga supportive nanay. Basa ha? Basa man? Warning!
Kasi Jericho ay ko. Nakay dala extra?
Wow!
Nakay dala extra? Okay.
Kasunod si Madam Ten Gibbs.
Sure mo ba? Murag kami may kulbaan.
Go Chico! Aja! Round and round. Round and round. Wala pa ba si Chico pag tumakbo? Ha?
But Mama, is the egg going
There.
to start?
We have to wait for them to start. You go and sit there. Go.
I want to slide.
Ha?
I want to slide.
Guys, so ito yung aatenan ng mga bata ngayon. This is basically an Easter egg hunt adventure sa Dolores Farm Resort dito sa Polomolok. And yung presyo nito ay 300 pesos per kid. So 5 lahat yung mga junanak natin, guys. 1.5 lahat. Oh. Kaya wag na, hindi pwede na hindi tayo magbaka-baka trabaho, guys. Ay mga kitong activity, hindi libre. Ayan. Alam nyo bakit pinush ko to activity na to? Kasi I do remember during Halloween na
nagsabi ako kay Calvi guys. Si Calvi kasi never nakakalimutan eh. Nagsabi ako kay Calvi na mag-attend siya ng Halloween event. So talagang sobrang excited siya. Sabi niya ganito yung costume na susuotin niya. And then, a day before that, parang napansin ko kay Calvi na parang, for me I assume na makakalimutan niya. So that was my mistake. During that day, after the day of Halloween, na nag-celebrate ng lahat, trick or treat na ang lahat, nagtanong siya sa akin bakit hindi daw siya nag-join ng any Halloween na trick or treat na party. So doon ko na-realize na hindi pala talaga nakakalimutan ni Calvi guys. As in, seryoso siya sa lahat ng mga request niya. So this time, nung sinabi ko sa kanya na magjo-join siya ng egg hunt, di syempre sobrang excited ng bata. So ngayon, kailangan nating tuparin guys. Kaya dito tayo ngayon. Ayan, with all outfit tayo guys, colorful. Tapos basang-basa na pala yung mga ilok natin kasi ang init pala ng tela nito guys. Wait lang, sulat natin yung name ng mga bata.
Thousand years later.
Look for eggs! Look for eggs! Where are the eggs? There! There, Calvi! There, Calvi, there! Okay. We're on the other side there in the garden. Is there eggs here?
Ano wala may nangita diri sa atubangan? Layo man kaayo.
Where are the eggs?
Diri.
Calvi here! Calvi here!
Diri.
Inside! Go! Here, Calvi! Calvi! Calvi, look here in the pots! There's nothing! Here, Calvi! Calvi! Calvi!
Ayan.
Calvi here! Calvi here! Dali! Go look for more! Calvi, where are you going here?
Nanawanan mo sa taas sa mga plants. Sa taas o kayon. Naana sila.
Ah, Calvi here! Up here! Up here!
Sok-sok. Naana sila.
Wow!
Hangad. Maghangad. Nasa taas. Nasa taas.
Auntie, go look! Here, daughter! Auntie, no more here like this! Ah, Chico, here! Calvi here! Chico! Here, Chico! Chico, dali! Put in the basket! Put here!
May nakakuha na ba sa golden egg?
Ate, guys, go! Pangitay si ano?
Nasa golden egg.
Pangitay si Chico, Ate Chay!
Kasi naman mo nakuha ng chocolates.
Kay Chico, ihatag eh, wala pa siya. Kay Chico. No more? There, in the plant box, run! Auntie on that side, in front of the room. Ani, come, Chico, come! Come! Look here. Chico, come and look. Come, how many you have? Wow! Come and look. Asan Ate Chay? Oh, so tiring. Wala na dire? How many did you find? So many. Chica! Chica! Wow! Nice! Wow! Wow, Chica, I like it! Wow, let's go, let's go! We count our chocolate! Chico said, woohoo!
Nakita niyo ba yung chocolate?
Show me! Wow!
Congratulations!
Come, let's look for your chocolate. Happy!
Grabe guys. Parang ako yung na-excite sa laro na to. Naghahanap ng chocolate. Napagod ako. Okay, wala na. Nag-survey lang ako guys. Baka may natira pa dito. Sayang naman. Maliliit lang naman siya ng mga chocolates. Pero it's fun.
Let me see yours. Wow, so many chocolates. Ning Ning, you look so so sweat.
When I gonna see the golden egg?
The golden egg someone already found. Never mind. Everyone will get eggs anyway. Wow, Jericho have many eggs. Even Calbi. Wow. Oh, Calbi so many. And Jericho and Chico.
You win. I guess you will win.
I walk out. Where are the chocolates?
Dili, ate, ihay ko magbilang sa egg.
Where? Where?
Wala! Daghan niya siya makuha. Dili sa pagkaunan ang
You don't see any more?
Ay!
Where? Oh, look. Move around, move around.
Okay, sana mo man na mag-start na may count
Here,
sa
here.
chocolate eggs, ha? Kids, dili pwede na i-combine ang eggs ninyo, ha? Dapat per basket siya ta.
I don't see any more eggs. You don't see any more? Wow, come we count the eggs now. How many you got? Huh? Let's count. 3? Wow. Come we go. Huh? Not yet. We have to count first, okay? Let's go, we count. Ah. No more chocolates in the plants? We finished all? Alright guys, so tapos na ako magbayad. Ang init talaga. Sabi ko, ano kaya susutin ko ngayon kasi Easter egg hunt? Dapat maka-join din tayo sa Colorful Easter Sunday. So ito yung sinuot ko guys, called Doroy. Guys, yan yung tela. Grabe guys, parang naglalagablab ako sa loob. Sabi nga ni Madam 10 Gigs, bumili ka na ng duster doon sa labas.
Helping me.
Thank you for helping who?
Me.
Aw, did you like it? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Thank you. Can I have a hug, please? Can I have a hug, Bobby? Are you happy? Good job. Give me one chocolate then. Mommy deserves one chocolate because I help. One chocolate for me. Can you open for me one chocolate?
Okay. Ano sila igalo? Morning, Ning. Say hi, Tita
Paningkamot, Ning! Paningkamot!
Ayaw. Oh, you eat this, oh. Oh, this eat it.
Oh, give mommy one chocolate also.
What color?
How about auntie? Did you give auntie also? Give me one. We don't put our trash down. You put here in the basket. One for me. Thank you, Bobby. Yummy. Auntie is there, oh? Auntie is there, oh? And Lola too. Oh.
Oh, big auntie. You're so sweet.
All of it or one?
100.
Why just follow lang also one? Okay, siya.
Happy si Kuya. Happy si Mami. Thank you. And
Asan yung loot bags? Where's your loot bag, Ning?
Ako na nagkain ng price, guys. Ako na kumain, guys. Gutom na.
okay, kids. Mauna dyan di ang inyong gihulat.
Okay, go. Come on, longer.
Yay!
Good job! Alright! Good job si baby. Meron tayo pang dyan, consolation kit. O, bigyan natin siya pang consolation. Sino siya, ma'am? Hello! Okay, what is your name? Monique. I say Happy Easter. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Yay! Your egg hunt activity today. Did you enjoy?
Yes.
And I like your shirt. Look at that, Paw Patrol.
Yeah, but I cannot see.
How many eggs were you able to find?
61?
Wow, that's so many. And Chico, how many eggs did you find?
One.
Only one egg. Are you going to do it again next time?
Yeah, I like hunting and I like singing.
Ah.
I like prizes.
Who helped you look for the eggs?
You.
Mommy. And how about
Thank
Chico?
you, Mom.
Aww. How about Chico? Who helped you look for the eggs?
Auntie.
Auntie. Did you have fun? Wow. Let's go. Drink water now with Ate Chai and then we go to the basketball court.